going to be making applesauce puffs. These are great for breakfast and a school snack. To get started, we're going to be mixing all of these ingredients. Oh wait, we need adult supervision. Mom!
Oh my goodness, what's up? What are you doing in here?
I'm making something.
Some applesauce puffs, I heard?
Yeah?
Okay, let's get started. All right, so we're just adding all the ingredients right on in the bowl. I've got some Bisquick. And then next, we have some applesauce. Applesauce is really good fiber and it's good for your tummy. It makes you feel fuller and last longer. And then we have a little bit of our sugar if you wanted to replace this sugar with a stevia or coconut sugar. Yum, yum, yum. And then we have a little cinnamon, a little oil. Okay, it's looking really pretty. Let's get those clumps out. There you go, keep going. All right, then we have some milk. Pour your milk in.
Milk.
Okay, and then the last ingredient. Go ahead and crack that egg. Got this. All right, Elle, look at our beautiful muffins. They're all cooled off. We made some big ones, of course, and we have our small minis. Why don't you go ahead and grab one, and we can unpeel it.
Oh, it's yummy.
So, Elle, are you ready for school?
Yeah.
I'm not.
With school starting, it's important that us kids get our annual well child visit. This is a great opportunity for your doctor to check your growth and development. They can also see if your vaccines are up to date to keep you from getting sick in the future. Have a healthy school year.